I'm going to show you how to get Google VEO 3 for free, 100% free, no hidden charges. It is not credit based and there is no limit to how many videos you can create per day. This method supports both 9:16 aspect ratio and the 16:9 aspect ratio. This method is quite new and a lot of people are not aware of this method. So it's very important that you jump on this now that it's still new before it gets swept away. And the best part about this method is that it comes with Nano Banana Pro. So you have every features all in one method for 100% free. So do well to subscribe to this channel, like this video, drop a comment, let me know what country you're watching from, and let's get started. So the first step is getting your Google VEO 3 account, and to do this, just come over to Google and type Gemini Business on the search bar and it will take you to this interface. Do well to click on this first link, and once you click on it, you're going to come in here and put in your email. Now it doesn't matter the email you use, you can use a personal email or any email at all. And then once you put in your email, just go ahead and hit on continue with email, and then it will take you to this interface. And just go ahead and click on next, and it will bring you to this part where you have to put in your password. Just go ahead and put in your password, and once you do that, just click on next, and you're going to come over to this interface. Click in here to agree, and then click on agree and get started, and it is going to sign you in. And once you get in, you can decide to skip this or connect your data, but I'm just going to click I'll do this later, and it will take you to this platform that lets you use Google VEO 3 and Nano Banana Pro for free. So once you're in here and you want to create an image or a video, just come over to this part that has tools, click on it, and once you scroll down, you're going to see Create Images Pro. This has the Nano Banana Pro in it. It also has the Create Videos with VEO 3. You have other things that you can do in here, but we're going to focus on the images and video for now. So let's imagine I want to create a scene, just something basic, not something complicated. I can just come over here and put in my prompt and hit on enter. This is the result. Let me play it so you see what it looks like. So you can see the detail to this video. So I gave it an action themed prompt and it gave us the exact result from the prompt that I gave to it. The detail, everything looks perfect. You can use this to create any kind of video at all, whether animated, real life, African folktale, podcast, whatever it is at all, you can do them using this channel. So let's try to create an animated scene and see how it looks. So I'm just going to head over to ChatGPT and tell it to give me a simple animated prompt of a girl and her dog that I can use to generate a video on VEO 3. And once you hit on enter, it is going to begin generating. So what you're going to do is to just copy the prompts, and you can decide to change this 4K quality to 8K quality. Then you head over to Gemini Business and then you paste it in here, hit on enter, and it will begin generating your video. And once it's done generating, this is the result. So a lot of you might be wondering if the only kind of video you can create here are just random videos. So we're going to create a full video scene by scene using the same method. So you see that it is for free and it is unlimited. And then if you notice that this video has no watermark, so this is what I mean by saying this kind of platform using VEO 3 in here would give you a video without watermark for absolutely free, without any limit. So now to create a video scene by scene using this method, I'm just going to head over to ChatGPT and put in this prompt. I'm going to say, give me a prompt for VEO 3 that we create a makeup ASMR style video consisting of 20 different scenes which flows naturally from one to another, so I can put these clips together to make one full video. If you want this prompt, just type prompt in the comment section and I'll send it to you. And once you hit on enter, you're going to get a makeup ASMR video scene by scene that you can use for VEO 3, and it gave us down to 20 scenes. You can decide to have 50, 100, whatever number you want to use, you can do them in here. So we're going to go ahead to copy the first scene of our ASMR makeup video. So once we copy it, we're going to head over to Google Enterprise and click on it and hit on enter. You can see that our first video is ready. So not to waste your time, I'm going to go ahead to copy the second scene, paste it in here on Google Enterprise, and this is the result for our second video. So I'm going to do this for all our prompts until all our videos are ready. So what I'm going to do is to download each videos individually. So once you come on the video, you're going to see this download file in here. So go ahead and click on it, and it will take you to this place where you just click on yes download and you download it. And you're going to do this for all the videos that you've generated in order to download them. The next step is to head over to an editing tool, and in my case I'm going to be using CapCut. So once you come over here to CapCut, you upload all your scenes in here and then you drag them to a timeline. You can decide to add transitions and you should get a result that looks like this. But before I show you, do not forget to smash the subscribe button. Tell me what you think in the comment section, and yes, the results.